We are the New Raw, a research and design studio based in Rotterdam. What we do is transforming plastic waste into street furniture and building components by using robotic 3D printing and citizens' involvement. For the start residency, we wanted to explore our technique further and implement blockchain technologies into the recycling process of plastics. And with that idea, maximize the value of plastics. To achieve this idea, we wanted to collaborate with the PlasticTwist research projects, who are the experts in the field.
People could come in the lab that we have set up here in Thessaloniki. They could bring plastic, and in exchange they could get P-coins, a virtual currency in their wallets, with which they could actually exchange for every value that they would wish.
There is a lot of value in 3D printing, and certainly we can use plastic waste as a raw material for printing not only objects of high aesthetics, but also of real value and real use to the citizens.
The process that we follow is very simple. We follow the main principles of recycling. So first sorting the plastics, cleaning them, and then shredding them. And then we mix them together with some additives in order to provide protection from UV resistance and extra strength. And then they're fed up to the extruder and shaped into the designs that we have uploaded in the system with the robotic arm. At this stage, what we try to do is we try to create a way in which the weight and the type of plastic could be matched with the specific sum of P-coins that then the users of the platform, of the PlasticTwist platform, could use to buy products from the platform itself.
We are always interested to involve users in our creative process. In this specific project, we involve them in multiple manners, not only in the design, but also in the production process. From a design point of view, we designed a module that can be used in multiple directions and applications, giving to the user endless possibilities for creativity. By making different compositions of the module, the user can create a bench, plant pot, a hotel reception, a room divider, and so on. At the same time, in order to receive this module, the user needs to bring to us the equal amount of plastic in weight. For one module, we recycle 12 kilos of plastic, so the user needs to collect the equal amount in order to receive this one module.
The collaboration with the P-Twist consortium and the residency can provide a very good case study for the next steps of our Print Your City project.
Through the residency with the New Raw, we managed to have our first products built from local plastic on small and large scale.